Hello friends, today we will show you a special game in which your challenge is black to play and win. See the position on the board, see carefully, and your challenge is black to play and win. If you accept the challenge, then pause this video and try to solve the solution. If you want to see the answer, then continue with us. Now we are giving you the solution. See the position on the board. If black plays this queen to g4 check, then what will happen? This is not a good choice. Why? Let's see. Queen g4 check, only move is king g2, and now this bishop, if this bishop is taken, this is not a good choice. Why? Then white will play queen check, only move, queen cross pawn, e4 check, and if f5, then queen cross bishop, and if queen e2 check, f2, queen f2, and here black cannot win, so we will take position back and will do another variation. So here, instead of giving check, black plays a right move, bishop cross, f4 first, then qc8 check, and king is h7. Now f5 check, qf5 check, king h6. And what to do now? If queen cross f4 check, then g5. Here white cannot capture this queen because of this pawn will be transferred to f3 and will promote easily. If here queen cross queen, then pawn cross queen, and now this is the threat. This check is threat, king is here, then this pawn will become queen. So what to do? Only option is pawn g4, then h5, h4, then let's say a4 if f5, a5, f cross g4 check, king g4, f2, and white resign because this is unstoppable. We will take back. This was the position. So here queen cross queen is a bad choice. So we will use queen here, d6. So here instead of taking queen, white tries queen d6 check, king on g7, queen d4 check, and king g6, and queen b6 check, f6. Now threat is queen f1 mate. What to do? Queen on b5, then king on h6, giving a blank move, and here if white plays blank b4, then queen on f2, and here white has no good option. Threat is pawn check g4, king is here, and queen cross h2 mate. Then what to do? Only to sacrifice like this does not solve the purpose. So here white resigns. Hope you enjoyed this video. Keep watching Gupta Chess 15. Thank you.